Hello and welcome to Beidat IT training. This is module 3. And in this module, we will continue where we left off. We'll cover about operators and expressions. Now, what you see here, these are called operators. The plus sign, the minus sign, the multiplication, the division, the modules, this is called module. Basically, it's like a remainder type, what's left. And then operators, equal to, not equal to, um, not assigned, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay. You can use it to add something, for example, the plus sign, but you can also use it to concatenate, meaning to put it next to each other, kind of like what we have done in the previous example in module 2. So here's an example, a script. Let sum, again, the variable is sum, and we are saying this is going to be an integer. When you say let, it's called you're declaring, you're defining, and we're saying 10 plus 5. Here, another one, let product equals 10 times 5. Now, when you run this, you're basically declaring, you're really not doing anything. We have seen this before. You actually have to either put it on the console or the document.write. Now, let's copy this and run it. So I grab that and we go back to where we were playing with the code earlier. Let's say right here, right? And if I paste that right here, so I'm saying let sum equals 10 plus 5 and let product equals 10 times 5. Now, if I save this, you know that nothing's going to happen, right? If you go to the browser and we refresh this, nothing happens, right? But if you look at the dev tools, you'll see the code is there, but nothing in the console, right? Reference age is not defined. This is going back to the old one that we were looking at, right? So see how here I am saying age and name, and I deleted that code. That's why you are seeing that error, because nothing is defined here on age. You will get an error. But here I have sum and product. You see that? I can go back here instead of calling it age and name. We can use sum and product here and rewrite this. So here we can write product, and here we can write as sum, those two variables that we have defined. And then here we can write the addition of 10 plus 5 is, again, this is just a string because I'm putting it in quotation. And then I say sum. And here, in this, instead of a product, I can say, and the multiplication. The multiplication is, I can save this and then come back here and refresh it. Now, if I go to console, so here you see the numbers. The addition of 10 plus 5 is 15, and the multiplication is 50. If I go to the console, that error that we saw earlier is not there because the two variables, age and name, are not there. Now I have two new variables. So this is one example of using operators, okay? So this was addition one, and this was the multiplication one. Again, the same thing, another script here. If I grab that, Control C, and we go back to the code and put that JavaScript code right there. Basically here, I'm saying let, I'm saying declare this for me. This is a variable. I'm saying, is this two equal? And then if this is saying, is this greater than, right? Now the same thing, we can go back to here and call this two variable. One is called is equal, the other one called is greater. And then we're saying, is this equal? And this two condition, this is called ampersand. Both of these have to be true to this to become true, okay? So here, so is equal to and is greater. Again, we can change this to, instead of the sum, we can say is greater. Oh, think the first one we had is equal, the next one is greater, it doesn't matter. Again, the good thing about Notepad++, it kind of gives you the variables you just defined. So the next one is greater. So then, so now are they equal? Again, this is just the string. It doesn't matter what I put in there. This variable, we want to see if this is true statement. And then here, I can say, are they greater? All right, now let's save that and come back here and refresh it. So you say, are they equal? It's true. Are they greater? It's true. So what's it's saying here is this statement is true and this statement is true. So these two are equal. Now, is this greater? So 10 is greater than 5 and 5 is less than 10. So this statement here, 5 is less than 10 is true. And this statement here, 5 is greater than 5 is true. So both these statements are true. It's called ampersand. It will come true, this becomes true, only if both of them are true. Okay, so that ends our module 3 session. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next module.